Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and welcome to my blog channel. Well guys, as you know that I am in Bihar, and as far as the renowned street food of Bihar is concerned, it is none other than Litti Chokha. It is not only famous in Bihar but also in Jharkhand, in eastern UP, and even in Noida, Delhi and Mumbai. You can find a lot of stalls of Litti and Chokha. So, given the popularity of Litti Chokha, I have decided to make it at my home. So, in order to make Litti Chokha, some steps are required, and one of them is cow dung cake. It means this is called, if you talk about Bihar, it is called goitha, chipdi, you can call it upla. So I'm going to show you. I have got some this cow dung cake, some goithas or upla you can say. The thing is that I asked one of the laborers to purchase some cow dung cakes for me, and he took 50 rupees from me to give some cow dung cakes. I'm going to show you guys. So guys, I am going to show you here the cow dung cakes. As you can see, this is goitha, you can call it upla, you can call it chipdi. The thing is that here, this oval shape, this long one is called goitha. If you talk about chipdi, that is really like a cake, like a roti, tawa type, but this is not tawa type. Yeah, so this is goitha, and I think this is called upla or chipdi, round one, the circle one. So you can see this quantity. So for this much cow dung cakes, I have spent 50 rupees, 50 rupees. Okay, so I'm telling you, if some viewers don't know about litti is what it is, a stuffed dough ball. So stuffed dough ball is litti. There would be some stuffing into that. It could be sattu and all. Okay, and chokha, especially eggplants are required to make chokha, यानी कि बैंगन का भरता, mashed brinjal, or you can call it eggplant. The thing is that the round brinjal, that really the eggplant is required, but here I don't have that round brinjal. I have this long brinjal. So those brinjals are going to be used in order to make that chokha and all. So litti will be made here using this upla, and chokha will be made on gas stove. Okay, so the preparation of chokha is going on. Preparation of litti is not going on right now. So let's see the chokha preparation, guys. So guys, first of all, I am going to show you that how to make chokha. As you can see, guys, here boiled potatoes are also going to be used. This tomato has come out of this plate, and here you can see the brinjal. Okay, this is roasted brinjal, and now it will be mashed along with this boiled potato, and some tomatoes will be also used. Then the whole chokha will be made, then litti and chokha. So first let's see how the chokha is made, and after that the entire process of litti making will be shown to you guys. Okay, so guys, some mustard oil should be put here. Now as you can see, some onions, some chopped onions. So guys, this is crushed ginger, garlic and green chili. So guys, in order to make litti, see, some flour has been taken and some chopped onion has been put into the flour. And what is this? The same crust, ginger, garlic and green chili. This chili looks purple, but this is it comes in green chili. It's carom seed. Okay, it's carom seed. Ajwain in Hindi. So this is the stuffing preparation going on, guys. Hey, this is flour or sattu? Oh, sattu. I'm sorry, guys. I said flour. This is sattu. I was a bit confused about it. you have to take this kind of dough ball, then turn it into this shape, and after that take some stuffing and put into this. Then you have to close it. So guys, all the dough balls are ready. They have been stuffed. Now the time has come to take these cow dungs up to the roof, and there I have to burn them. Okay, and then the littis will be made. So I'm going to take them. Akshat, help me out. Come, hold some of the cow dung cakes. Come on, help me out.
Are they dirty?
No, they are not dirty. Come. Take some pieces from there. Take. So now I am going to the roof, guys.
No, I should take all of them.
Yes. Take as many as you can pick. Come on, take.
I need help. I need help.
I don't know आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है.
कोई नहीं, आ जाओ. So I'm going to burn it.
पहले उसको जलने दो.
Okay.
एक आध गो उस साइड से रख.
ज़्यादा बड़ा है तो छोड़ दो.
It's not easy, guys.
पहले पकड़ लेगा ना सब में,
Yeah.
आग बन जाएगा, तभी सब रख देना.
It's better to go to the market, to the litti stall and order some littis. It's too tough job. The thing is that since I am in the village, so I am trying to experience so many things, guys. So since it is quite renowned street food, so I am thinking that okay, let's make it. Is it the only way? यही एक तरीका होता है कि दूसरा भी कोई तरीका होता है? A different way as well.
People use the grill.
Okay, grill system is also there.
They use the coal, the charcoal.
Okay.
जाली पर
They use the charcoal.
कई
and
सिस्टम मतलब जाली है,
हाँ.
उस पे ग्रिल वाला जो है,
This is the traditional way.
इट्स ट्रेडिशनल वे.
Yeah.
तो चलो ट्रेडिशनल ही सही. So guys, as you can see that the hearth is ready. Now I have to put these dough balls, these stuffed dough balls on that. So we have to keep checking. It should not get burnt. So guys, now these balls have to be put back into this hearth, and these balls will be covered, and they will be left for at least half an hour. So guys, now see the litti. You can see totally cooked, and It has been dipped into Shuddh Deshi ghee. So now some littis are going to be served with chokha. Then I will taste it and I will let you know how it tastes. So guys, you can see litti chokha. Akshat, are you also enjoying? Oh, Akshat is eating litti chokha. How does it taste?
Good.
Good. So let me try this litti chokha. It tastes good, guys. Amazing chokha. It is better than the stall one. If you go to any stall, you can't get this type of chokha because potato is also mixed with this bangan ka bharta. There I think they put just bangan ka bharta. So the quality is good. Totally cooked. It's nice. So this is all about this video, guys. I wanted to shoot litti chokha, so it has been made. I'm having it. So see you in another episode, guys. Till then, take care and have fun. Thank you, guys.